Hey everyone, so I got a Jeep Tech tip for everybody. If you have an aftermarket drive shaft, if you do it yourself or you take it in, good majority of the time when you take it in, it's not being greased correctly. So let me show you and save you some money. And yes, you heard me right, save you some money. So a lot of mechanics don't even know it's there. That's the craziest thing. I have a Tomwoods drive shaft, front drive shaft. I got a 4-inch lift kit, and it could be Tomwoods, it could be Adams drive shafts, it could be Rough Country drive shaft. If it's an aftermarket drive shaft for your Jeep or basically any vehicle, off-roading vehicle with the aftermarket drive shaft, there is a place that a lot of people don't know you have to grease. And I found out the hard way. Let me show you. So there's a few grease fittings. We have a grease fitting here. So this is the part that actually goes to the transfer case. That goes for the front diff. Okay. We got 2 spots here. Grease this, grease that one, and grease that one. But everyone stops there. No, 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 no. We got to keep going. There's a grease fitting. If you look at it, you can't see. It's recessed inside. Because as this thing moves around, it pitches and rolls. If you see the little ball in there, there's actually a grease fitting right there. Okay? And you got to use a tool, little needle nose, and it gets messy sometimes. Shove it down there and grease in there. And let me see, I already greased it. If I have to show you how to grease, then you don't need to be doing this. But as you can see, the grease is inside here. You can roll her over a little bit. Some oozing out because there's a little pressure relief in there. No one's greasing that. This is the part they're missing. So they'll grease all their fittings, but they forget that one's even there. You actually have to drop the front drive shaft, which is a pain in the butt. I always do my maintenance. I always do the oil changes, everything on this Jeep Wrangler I got. And about a year and a half, I started getting click, 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 click. I started chasing noises down. I couldn't find anything. Come to find out, it was a drive shaft after all. It's Tomwoods that I have. I sent it in on a Tuesday, had it back on a Saturday. It cost me 85 bucks. I don't know about the other drive shafts, so if you take your vehicle in, they have the front drive shaft greased, point it out to the mechanic. They're not going to really want to do it because you actually have to drop it. So hopefully that helps, saves you some money. Everyone have a good day.